New up packing the edges, guess what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas guess what? Give my shorty stingers and guns, I tell them slap for nothing. Everybody with this gang ain't shit.
What is up and what is popping, gang? Y'all know the vibes. I am back at it again with another hair install. Today we are pairing with the lovely Cynosure Hair. Do not drag me if I'm saying it wrong, y'all. I don't know. But in the package they sent me these cute lashes and a wig cap and all that. But look at this curl, y'all. I am getting life. I'm getting everything I need from this. I really am so in love with this unit, y'all. Like, the curl is just giving me everything I need. But y'all, here's how the hairline's looking. Very natural. As I said, no plucking to it yet. But here's the curl pattern. This is dry. I actually did wash this hair, y'all. It's not wet, but it did dry overnight. I did wash it because I just wanted to get all of the chemicals and stuff out, because you know, with the whole corona going on, I wanted to make sure it was disinfected. So I did go ahead and wash it. But first we're going to start with our bald cap method. I'm just cutting a little slit near my ear so I can glue this tab down. It's very important to do this because if you're like me and don't like spraying the bald cap with like something like got to be glue, because it really puts a lot of pressure and tension and tugs on your edges a lot. I got you, y'all. Just do the glue method with the bald cap. Glue it down to your skin directly, not on your edges. And yes, y'all, make sure that you pull the cap over your edges and that you're not gluing on your edges. Cynosure Hair really impressed me, y'all. Like, the quality of this wig is amazing. I actually still have it on right now. It's still super soft. The wig looks so natural. This is one of the most like natural curls I've ever had. I absolutely love it. Like, it really looks like it could be my hair. So of course I will always have the links in my description. You always know that. Check them out, and yeah, y'all can shop with them because they deserve it. Like, their hair is really bomb. But basically I'm just drying the bald cap right now, making sure that everything is completely dry before I add my first and only layer of my bold hold glue. Y'all know I stay with the bold hold glue and things like that. So I'm just gonna put that on in the pattern that I cut my lace and spread it all out and dry it till it is completely dry, y'all. Let's get into this wig. Yeah, I'm coming at you with a full lace. Like, look at all that parting space. You want a middle part? Boom. You want a side part? Boom. You want a half up, half down? Boom. Like, the possibilities are endless when you have all this parting space. I decided to go with my basic middle part. Y'all know I'm basic. But right now, I'm just going to make sure that it is positioned on my head correctly. And once it is, just go ahead and take your comb so you can shift the lace into the glue. And then we're going to go melt it. We're going to melt it, y'all. Like, it needs to be melted like it is right now. Get that lace nice and crisp, melted, y'all. Looking bomb. Like, wow. Anyways, it is time to now cut the ear tabs. Make sure you cut your ear tabs, y'all. You want your ears to be out to breathe, because your wig is really going to look like a wig if you don't. After that, I went ahead and focused on cutting my lace. As you can see, I take a whole bunch of little snippets, but I take my time. I never go in a straight line, and I try to follow that pattern of the glue. Finding a natural hairline that's gonna fit your head is the key to having a great wig, y'all. I'm telling you. I absolutely love this wig, y'all. Genuinely, it looks so bomb. Like, look at the part, just how crisp and clean it is. So if you want to find an affordable, great quality wig, go ahead and shop with Cynosure Hair. Of course, I'll have all the links in my description. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, y'all. I love you so much, and I'll see you next video.